Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to dive into an interesting and often frustrating topic: why some people are always forgetful, and most importantly, what can be done about it. Have you ever met someone who seems to forget everything? No matter how much they try to remember, they can't seem to hold on to information. Or maybe you're that person yourself. Well, you're not alone. Forgetfulness is more common than you might think, and it can be caused by a number of factors. Let's break it down. 1. Stress and anxiety. One of the biggest reasons people forget things is because they're stressed or anxious. When you're constantly under pressure, your brain becomes overwhelmed, making it harder to focus. Stress hormones, like cortisol, can actually interfere with memory formation, leaving you with a foggy mind. 2. Lack of sleep. We all know how important sleep is, but it's worth emphasizing just how crucial it is for memory. During sleep, your brain processes and stores information from the day. If you're not getting enough rest, you're making it harder for your brain to keep track of important details. 3. Poor nutrition. What you eat can affect your brain's ability to function. Diets low in essential nutrients, like omega-3 fatty acids or antioxidants, can impair memory and cognitive function. So, if you're feeling forgetful, you might want to take a look at your diet and make sure you're getting the right nutrients to support brain health. 4. Multitasking. In today's fast-paced world, many of us are juggling multiple tasks at once. While multitasking might seem efficient, it actually makes it harder for your brain to focus on any one thing. When you're constantly switching from task to task, you're more likely to forget things because your brain never fully processes the information. 5. Age and health issues. As we get older, it's natural for our memory to decline a bit. But certain health conditions, such as Alzheimer's disease or other forms of dementia, can also cause significant memory loss. If forgetfulness seems to be getting worse over time, it might be worth consulting a healthcare professional to rule out any underlying issues. So, what can you do about it? First, take a deep breath. There are practical steps you can take to improve your memory and reduce forgetfulness. Prioritize sleep. Aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep each night to give your brain time to recharge. Reduce stress. Practice relaxation techniques like meditation, yoga, or deep breathing to lower stress levels. Eat brain-boosting foods. Incorporate foods rich in omega-3s, antioxidants, and vitamins into your diet, like fish, berries, and leafy greens. Stay organized. Use lists, reminders, or apps to help you stay on top of tasks and reduce mental clutter. Exercise regularly. Physical activity helps improve circulation to the brain, boosting memory and cognitive function. By making these small but powerful changes, you can help train your brain to remember better and feel more in control of your day-to-day life. So, the next time you find yourself forgetting something, just remember, it might not be your fault, but there are things you can do to change it. Thanks for watching today's video. If you found this helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on how to live a better, more mindful life. Until next time, take care and stay sharp.